The negative space in a piece of art is the space around the main focal point or content of that piece of art. So in the art behind me, based on my photograph, that was the background, the shadow behind the meerkat and the rocks around it. That negative space helps to support the main focal point, which is also called the positive space. So in this art, the meerkat is the positive space. The background and the shadow behind the meerkat, which helps it pop out to view, is the negative space. For this one, I found it easier to draw the negative space first to help me represent boldly the meerkat. And I think it does support the meerkat's drawing better by helping it pop out of the page. Thank you very much.